Hi, second grade friends. This week we're going to be spending some time revisiting the long E sound and learning two new patterns that also make the long E sound. These are the long E patterns that we know already. So we know that E, consonant magic E, can make the E sound like Pete. We know EE can make the long E sound E like in tree. And we also know that EA can make the long E sound E like in beach. This week we're going to be learning about IE and how it can say E like in piece, like a piece of a puzzle. And we're also going to learn about EI and how it can say E like in ceiling. Now this one is a special one because it has a spelling rule with it. When you are thinking about what pattern to use, whether you should use IE or EI, there is a spelling rule to think about. I before E except after C. So here we see there is a C at the beginning of this word. So we're going to use the EI spelling pattern for it. We will spend some more time practicing IE and EI as we read and write words this week.